Welcome to Global Elevator Academy. Today, we are going to talk about the elevator installation technician. What is the role of an elevator installation technician? How to become an elevator installation technician? And what is job outlook for elevator installation technician? Let us start. The role of elevator installation technician mainly involves assemble, erection, install, repair of elevators. Elevator technician shall follow the fastest installation process. However, elevator installation should be completed in the most safest and efficient way. They carry out elevator installation using hand and power tools. Elevator installers often work in cramped areas. And they may also often required to work at heights in elevator shafts. Elevator installer need to make sure that everything required for elevator installation is in place or organized for a smooth, trouble-free elevator installation. They shall ensure that the project is completed as per schedule and within budget without any additional expenses or rework. Also, quality parameters as per company requirement are met. You are listening this podcast on Global Elevator Academy. It is very important that the project is completed with 100% safe practices and without any accident. Do you want to become an elevator installation technician? Elevator installer need to possess good skills and technical knowledge. They should have good ability to read and interpret the relevant GIA drawings. They must have enough competency in using the various tools and equipment required to properly install the elevator parts. Elevator installers should also have good mechanical aptitude and understanding. What is job outlook for elevator installation technician? There is a huge shortage of skilled elevator installation technicians. Employment of elevator installers is projected to grow at 12% from year 2022 to 2030. Skilled elevator installation technician earn good salary. Please contact us today if you wish to become a skilled elevator installation technician. Thank you for your time. You are listening this podcast on Global Elevator Academy. Welcome to Global Elevator Academy. Today, we are going to talk about